Good morning students. Welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 9, playing with numbers. Next topic is divisibility rules. So divisibility rules means these rules are used to find whether a number is divisible by another number. Okay. Divisibility rules. We use divisibility rules to check whether a number is divisible by another number. So rule 1, divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Using this rule, we can check whether a number is divisible by 2. Okay. A number is divisible by 2 if its units digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So if a number's units digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. That means that number is coming in the multiplication table of 2. Okay. So example you can see here 8, 14. 14 ends with a 4. Its units place digit is 4. 320. Units place digit is 0. Okay. 5496. Its units place digit is 6. Etc. So this is the divisibility rule of divisibility by 2. Next rule 2, divisibility by 4. So you can check using this rule, you can check whether a number is divisible by 4. So a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digit in tens place and units place is divisible by 4. So for 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number only you can use divisibility by 4, this rule. Okay. If it's tens and ones place digit, the number formed by tens and ones place digit. So here you can see in this example 232, 32. If this number is divisible by 4, then we can say that the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. If the number formed by tens place digit and ones place digit is divisible by 4, then we can say that the number is divisible by 4. So here in 232, 32. This is the number formed by digits in tens place and ones place digit. 32. We know that it is divisible by 4. So we can say that 232 is also divisible by 4. Okay. Similarly, another example 524. Here the number formed by digits in tens place and units place, it is 24. So 24 is divisible by 4. So we can say that 524 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now third rule, divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digit in hundreds place, tens place and units place is divisible by 8. This is somewhat similar to divisibility by 4. In divisibility rule of 4, we will take a tens place digit and ones place digit. But in divisibility rule of 8, we will take a hundreds place digit, tens place digit and units place digit. Okay. If the number formed by digits in hundred place, tens place and unit place is divisible by 8, then we can say that the number is divisible by 8. Okay, so this can be applied for 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, etc. Let us take one example. Here it is given 5408. So here the number formed by digits in hundreds place, tens place and units place, it is 408. Okay, 408 is divisible by 8. When you divide 408 by 8, you will get the remainder 0. Okay, that means 408 is divisible by 8. So what we can say? 5408 is divisible by 8. Okay. Next rule for test of divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Very simple. If you are given a number, any number of digit, okay, you just take the sum of the digit. Okay. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 3. Let us take example 4215. You have to check whether 4215 is divisible by 3. So how you can check that? Just take the sum of the digit. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. Okay, if the sum of the digit, here it is 12. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, it is 12. If this number is divisible by 3, then we can say that this number, given number is divisible by 3. Okay, here 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, what we can say? Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Therefore, 4215. The number is divisible by 3. Okay, so divisibility test of 3 is just take the sum of the digits of the number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 3. Next, rule 5, test of divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. Okay, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 6. Okay, if a number comes in the multiplication of table of both 2 and 3, then we can say that that number is divisible by 6. So let us take this example 35,556. You have to check whether this number is divisible by 6. So how can you check? Check whether it is divisible by 2 first. Okay, so this number ends with the 6. Units place digit is 6. Therefore, what we can say? If a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say that that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so here this number units place digit it is 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Next, check whether this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so we can take the sum of its digits. 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. Sum of the digit it is 24. Okay, now 24 is divisible by 3. Therefore, what we can say? 35,556 is also divisible by 3. Okay, sum of the digits 3 divisible aanu. Appo aa number 3 divisible aayirikkum. Therefore, this number 35,556 is divisible by both 2 and 3. 2-lum varunnuണ്ട് 3-lum varunnuണ്ട്. 2-lum divisible aanu, 3-lum divisible aanu. Therefore, what we can say? It is divisible by 6. Okay, this is the divisibility test of 6. Next, rule 6, divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 is similar to divisibility by 3. Okay, if a number is divisible by 9, if sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So here also you have to take the sum of the digits of the given number. Okay, if the sum is divisible by 9, then we can say that the number is divisible by 9. Let us take example 7236. So we are taking the sum of the digits 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. The sum is 18. And we know that 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, therefore what we can say? 7236 is also divisible by 9. Okay, rule 7, divisibility by 5. Very simple. A number is divisible by 5 if its units digit is either 0 or 5. Okay, so you have to check whether the units place digit is 0 or 5. If in a number units place digit is 0 or 5, then we can say that that number is divisible by 5. Okay, here many examples are given. 250, it ends with 0, units place digit is 0, so that is divisible by 5. 725, units place digit is 5, so that is also divisible by 725 is divisible by 5. Okay, 4020 ends with a 0. Units place digit is 0. Therefore, what we can say? 4020 is divisible by 5, etc. Now rule 8, divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in odd places from the right side and the sum of the digits in even places from the right side is divisible by 11. So let us take example 90,816. Okay, 90,816. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 11. Okay, so first let us mark the places. This is first place. Units place you can mark it as 1. Tens place you can mark it as 2. Okay, this hundreds place you can mark it as 3. Thousands place you can mark it as 4. 10,000s place you can mark it as 5. Okay, now we have to take from the right side only, you have to mark like this 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to take digits, sum of digits in odd places. Okay, digits in odd places, odd number here 1 2 3 4 5, which all are odd places. 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number, now 5 is odd number. So these are odd places. Okay, 1 3 and 5. So digits in odd places are 6, 8 and 9. Okay, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റിനെ 1 മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തു, ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് സെക്കൻഡ്, ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് തേർഡ്, തൗസൻഡ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് 4, 10,000s പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് 5. ഇനി ലാക്ക് പ്ലേസ് ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ മാർക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് 6. ഓക്കെ, ലൈക്ക് വൈസ്. നൗ odd places, here odd numbers you can see 1 3 and 5, so they are odd places. Okay, now digits in odd places are, here it is odd places ലുള്ള digits ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? 1ൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്ന ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്ന 6, തേർഡ് പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്നത് 8, 5 പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്നത് 5th പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്നത് 9. their sum we need to take, that is 6 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, 6 plus 8 plus 9, it is 23. Okay, similarly we have to take sum of digits in even places. So in these places you can see 2 and 4 are even places. Okay, digits in even places are 1 and 0. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ ഈവൻ നമ്പേഴ്സ് വരുന്നത്, ഈവൻ പ്ലേസസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സെക്കൻഡ് പ്ലേസും ഫോർത്ത് പ്ലേസും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ വരുന്ന ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? 1 and 0. സോ their sum we need to take. So 1 plus 0 we will get 1. Okay, after this we have to find their difference. Difference of 23 and 1 we need to take, that is 23 minus 1, it is 22, and check whether this number is 0 or it is a number divisible by 11. ഈ നമ്പർ ഡിഫറൻസ് വരുന്നത് ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 11ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവുന്ന നമ്പർ ആണെങ്കിൽ what we can say, this number 90,816 is divisible by 11 we can say. Okay, ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ആദ്യം സം ഓഫ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ ഓഡ് പ്ലേസസ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു, സം ഓഫ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ ഈവൻ പ്ലേസസ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു, ദെൻ ഈ രണ്ട് സമ്മിൻ്റെയും ഡിഫറൻസ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. അപ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്ന ഡിഫറൻസ് ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ 11ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവുന്ന നമ്പർ, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, ദീസ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആർ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ബൈ 11. ഓക്കെ, ഇങ്ങനെ 11ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവുന്ന നമ്പറോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 0 ഓൾസോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് പോസിബിൾ. ഓക്കെ, if the difference is any of these numbers, then we can say that this is divisible by, which is divisible by 11. Therefore we can say that 90,816, this is the given number, it is divisible by 11. The given number is divisible by 11 we can say. Okay, this is divisibility by 11. Okay, now exercise 9C, First question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. So here you can see 4 numbers are given. You have to find which all numbers are divisible by 2 here. Okay, first one 352. So divisibility by 2, that rule you know. If a number's units place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. ഒരു നമ്പറിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ് സ്പേസിൽ കിടക്കുന്നത് 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. ഇത് ഈ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് വി ക്യാൻ സേ ദാറ്റ് നമ്പർ ഇസ് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ബൈ 2. ഓക്കെ, സോ 352 ഇറ്റ്സ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഇസ് 2, therefore it is divisible by 2. 352 is divisible by 2. Okay, next 523. Its units place digit is 3, therefore it is not, 523 is not divisible by 2. Okay, third one 496. Here units place digit is 6, therefore 496 is divisible by 2. Now fourth one 649. Units place digit is 9, so 649 is not divisible by 2. Okay, second one, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. So you can use the divisibility rule of 4. First question 222. So in divisibility rule of 4, we will take the number formed by digits in tens place and ones place. Okay, ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റും വൺസ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റും കൂടി ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്ന നമ്പർ വി ഹാവ് ടു ടേക്ക് ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇൻ 222, 22 is the number formed by digits in tens place and digit in ones place. 22 is not divisible by 4. 22 4 divisible alla. Therefore what we can say, 222 is not divisible by 4. Okay, second one 532. So we are taking the number formed by digits in tens place and ones place. Here it is 32. So 32 is divisible by 4. Okay, therefore 532 is divisible by 4. Next is 678. So we are taking the number formed by digits in tens place and ones place. Here it is 78. 78 is not divisible by 4. How you can check that? Just divide 78 by 4. 78 you can divide by 4. 4 into 1 4. 38. 4 into 9 36. Remainder you are getting 2 here. Okay, if the remainder is 0, then only we can say that 78 is divisible by 4. Here it is 2, therefore what we can say, 78 is not divisible by 4, and so 678 is not divisible by 4. Okay, ഇവിടെ 78 4 divisible അല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് 678 4 divisible ആവില്ല. Fourth one 9232. So here we are taking the digits, number formed by digits in tens place and ones place. So 32 is divisible by 4, therefore 9232 is also divisible by 4. Okay, third one, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 8. So first one 324. For divisibility rule of 8, we have to take the number formed by digits in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So 324, we can take 324, that number itself. Okay, just divide 324 by 8. So 8 into 4, it is 32. 4. Now 4 divided by 8, here it will be 0. So remainder you will get 4. And so what we can say, remainder is not 0. Therefore 324 is not divisible by 8. Okay, we have to take the number formed by digits in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Okay, so in 324 we have to take a 324. The full number we have to take. Now second one, 2536. So we are taking the number formed by digit in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So here it is 536. Now divide 536 by 8. Let us check. 536 divided by 8. So 8 into 6 it is 48. 13, 4, 56. 8 into 7 it is 56. Remainder is 0. Therefore 536 is divisible by 8. Okay. And so what we can say? Since 536 is divisible by 8, we can say 2536 also divisible by 8. Okay. 536 8 divisible ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം 2536 8 divisible ആണെന്ന് പറയാം. Okay. Now third one, 92,760. So we are taking the number formed by digit in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So what we will get? 760. Now divide 760 by 8. 760 you can divide by 8. 8 into 9, 72, 40. 8 into 5 it is 40, remainder is 0. Therefore 760 is divisible by 8. And so what we can say? Since 760 is divisible by 8, 92,760 is also divisible by 8. Okay. Fourth one, 4,44,320. So we are taking the number formed by digits in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Here it is 320. Okay. Here 320 is divisible by 8. Therefore we can say 4,44,320 is also divisible by 8. Okay. Fourth question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. First one, 221. So divisibility rule of 3. What we should do? We have to take the sum of the digits. Okay, sum of the digits we are taking. Here 2 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 it is. 5. It is not divisible by 3. 5. The sum of the digit is not divisible by 3. Therefore 221 is also not divisible by 3. Okay. Now second one, 543. So we are taking the sum of the digit. 5 plus 4 plus 3, we will get a 12. Clearly 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore what we can say? 543 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now third one, 28,492. Taking the sum of the digits, what you will get? 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. You will get a 25. Sum of the digit it is 25, and this 25 is not divisible by 3. So what we can say? 28,492 is also not divisible by 3. Okay. Do the fourth one as homework. Now fifth question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 9. So divisibility rule of 9. In that also we are taking the sum of the digits. Okay. So first one, 1332. Taking the sum of the digits, what you will get? 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. It is equal to 9. Okay. This sum we will get 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore we can say 1332 is also divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits നമുക്ക് 9 ആണ് കിട്ടിയത്. 9 9ൽ divisible ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം? 1332 9ൽ divisible ആണെന്ന് പറയാം. Okay. Second one, 53,247. So we are taking the sum of the digits. 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. And that sum equal to 21. Okay. Taking the sum of the digit, we got the sum 21. Clearly 21 is not divisible by 9. 21 9 divisible alla. Therefore what we can say, 53,247 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Third one, 4,968. So we are taking the sum of the digit 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8, and that sum equal to 27. 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 equal to 27. Clearly 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore what we can say, 4,968 is also divisible by 9. Okay, 27 9 divisible ആയതുകൊണ്ട് സം ഓഫ് ദി ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് 27 കിട്ടി. അത് 9 divisible ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്താ പറയാം, 4,968ഉം 9 divisible ആണെന്ന് പറയാം. Do the fourth one as homework. Okay. Sixth one, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. So divisibility rule of 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, 2ലും 3ലും divisible ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്താ പറയാം, അത് 6ൽ divisible ആണെന്ന് പറയാം. So first one, 324. Clearly this number units place digit, it is 4. So it is divisible by 2. 2ൽ divisible ആണ്. Next let us check whether it is divisible by 3. Okay, so taking the sum of the digits 3 plus 2 plus 4, you will get 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore 324 is also divisible by 3. 324 2ൽ divisible ആണ്. അതിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റിൽ കിടക്കുന്നത് 4 ആണ്. Therefore it is divisible by 2. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 3ൽ divisible ആണോ എന്ന് നോക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ സം ഓഫ് ദി ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് 9 ആണ് കിട്ടിയത്. 3 plus 2 plus 4 it is 9. സോ 9 3ൽ divisible ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം, 324 is also divisible by 3. ഓക്കെ, 2ലും divisible ആണ്, 3ലും divisible ആണ്. Therefore we can say it is divisible by 6. Okay, second one, 2010. So this numbers units place digit, it is 0. Therefore it is divisible by 2. Okay, now taking the sum of the digits, what you will get, 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, you will get 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. Therefore 2010 is also divisible by 3. സം ഓഫ് ദി ഡിജിറ്റ് നമുക്ക് 3 കിട്ടി. ആ 3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3ൽ divisible ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം, നമ്പർ 2010 is also divisible by 3. So 2010 is divisible by both 2 and 3. 2ലും divisible ആണ്, 3ലും divisible ആണ്. Therefore it is divisible by 6. Okay, third one, 33,278. So this numbers units place digit is 8. Therefore what we can say, it is divisible by 2. യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിൽ കിടക്കുന്നത് 8 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അത് 2ൽ divisible ആണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 3ൽ divisible ആണോ എന്ന് നോക്കാൻ, we can take the sum of the digit 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8. So sum equal to, you will get a 23. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 8 23. Clearly 23 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 33,278 is also not divisible by 3. Sum of the digits എടുത്തപ്പോൾ 23 ആണ് കിട്ടിയത്. 23 3ൽ divisible അല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്താ പറയാം, ഈ നമ്പറും 3ൽ divisible അല്ല. സോ 2ൽ divisible ആണ്, 3ൽ divisible അല്ല. 2ലും 3ലും divisible ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് നമുക്ക് 6ൽ divisible ആണെന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ ദിസ് നമ്പർ ഇസ് not divisible by 6 we can say. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് 2ൽ മാത്രമാണ് divisible ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നുള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കത് 6ൽ divisible ആണ് എന്നുള്ളത് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ, 2ലും 3ലും divisible ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമാണ് ആ നമ്പർ 6ൽ divisible ആവുള്ളൂ. സോ ഇവിടെ 2ൽ divisible ആണ്, 3ൽ divisible അല്ല. Therefore 6ൽ divisible ആവില്ല. ഓക്കെ, fourth one you can do as homework. Seventh question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 5. Very simple. If a number ends with 0 or 5, or units place digit is 0 or 5, then we can say that number is divisible by 5. ഒരു നമ്പറിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിൽ കിടക്കുന്നത് 0യോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 5ഓ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ നമ്പർ 5ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി റൂൾ ഓഫ് 5. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ 5080. Units place digit is 0, therefore this number is divisible by 5. Okay. Second one 66,666. Units place digit is 6. Clearly it is not divisible by 5. Okay. Units place ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 5. അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് ആ നമ്പർ 5ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ. തേർഡ് വൺ 755. Units place digit is 5, therefore it is divisible by 5. Okay, fourth one you can do as homework. Eighth question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 10. Very simple. If a number ends with 0, then only we can say that number is divisible by 10. 10ൻ്റെ divisibility rule ഒരു നമ്പറിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിൽ 0 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് ആ നമ്പർ 10ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 9990. It ends with 0. Units place is 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. Okay. 0. 0 is divisible by 10. 0 into 10 you will get 0. Okay. Since 0 into 10 into 0 you will get 0. We can say 0 is divisible by 10. 0 is divisible by 10. Okay. Next, third one 847. So it ends with 7. It is not divisible by 10. Okay. Fourth one, do as homework. Ninth question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So divisibility rule of 11. We have to take the sum of the digit at odd places, digits in even places, and then we have to find their difference. If that difference is either 0 or divisible, any number which is divisible by 11, then only we can say that that number is divisible by 11. ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് ഓഡ് പ്ലേസസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ്സിൻ്റെ സം എടുക്കണം, ദെൻ ഈവൻ പ്ലേസസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ്സിൻ്റെ സം എടുക്കണം. ആ രണ്ട് സമ്മും കൂടി നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 11ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആവുന്ന നമ്പർ അത് കിട്ടുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് വി ക്യാൻ സേ ദ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ, ദ ഗിവൺ നമ്പർ ഇസ് divisible by 11. Okay, that is the divisibility rule of 11. So first one 5918. 5918. So let us start from right side. Always start from the right side. This is first place, second place, third place, fourth place. Okay, now we can take sum of digits in odd places. So here 1 is odd place, 3 is odd place. Okay, there the digits at odd places are 8 and 9. So we are taking their sum. 8 plus 9 equal to 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. Next we are taking sum of digits in even places. So here even places 2 and 4. Even places digits are 1 and 5. So their sum we are taking 1 plus 5, it is 6. Okay, now their difference. We are finding their difference. Difference equal to 17 minus 6, you will get 11. Which is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Okay, therefore what we can say, 5918 is divisible by 11. The given number is divisible by 11. Okay, second one 68,770. So first mark the places. Starting from right side you can mark. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we have to take the sum of digits in odd places. So here odd places you can see 1, then 3, then 5. 1, 3, 5. These are the odd places. Digits in odd places are 7, 7 and 6. Okay, we are taking their sum. 7 plus 7 plus 6. So what you will get, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 6 it is 20. Sum of the digits in odd places, it is 20. Now we are taking the sum of digits in even places. Okay, so here the even places are 2 and 4. Digits in even places are 1 and 8. Okay, their sum we have to find. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 it is 9. Okay, now we are finding their difference. Difference equal to 20 minus 9. What is 20 minus 9? It is 11, which is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11, we know. Okay, therefore what we can say, 68,717 is divisible by 11. Okay, so do the third one and the fourth one as homework. Ninth question, 3 and 4 you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.